Lambo, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. And usually what happens after feeding, they will fly to rocky surfaces just like these to lick up on clay or chalk. And this will help them in the digestion they have eaten. Now the birds are still up there enjoying their food, but not to worry, this will definitely be their next stop. In the meantime, we shall have more birds joining us on stage. Now birds like them are known to gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. So we are going to have a little competition for them. And they will need supporters, okay? Now people on this side, you will be supporting Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. I need you to clap your hands. And you shout, Zonda, Zonda, Zonda. Alright, excellent. Now people on the other side, you will be supporting Barry, our green-winged macaw. Same thing, clap your hands, but you shout, Barry, Barry, Barry. Excellent supporters, keep up the good work, alright? Now let's have the birds to the table. Now what I have right here is a hollow tree trunk. And what these two birds have to do is gather 4 fruits each, alright? Supporters, are you ready? Birds are ready, let's go! Alright, tell me who's the winner? Zonda, that's right, good teamwork, guys. Hey, what happened to Barry? He is just warming up. She's giving me excuses, see? Are you hinting me for something? Yes? One more match. Let me ask all of them first, okay? Shall we have one more game? Yes, alright, okay. You are very lucky, Siti. Let's give Barry here a second chance.